Is your current email marketing tool letting you down? You're not alone in this struggle. Many creators feel limited by BYEKIT's basic features that hinder their creative freedom. As you expand your audience, those costs can soar unexpectedly. It's time to explore alternatives. Finding a suitable replacement could mean unlocking your creativity and saving money at the same time. Let's dive into the top alternatives to BYEKIT and find the perfect fit for your needs. Explore advanced email designers that offer robust features like countdown timers and dynamic content flexibility. User-friendly personalization should be a priority without the need for coding skills. Look for platforms boasting a variety of modern and customizable email templates to energize your campaigns. Detailed analytics and reporting capabilities are essential for tracking and optimizing your email outreach strategies. Affordable pricing that scales with your growing subscriber list will save you money in the long run. High deliverability rates combined with tools to maintain them can make or break your campaigns. Automated workflows should feel intuitive, allowing you to enhance your marketing strategies effortlessly. Now, let's take a closer look at the standout competitors to BYEKIT that provide exceptional value. Moosend is the go-to for advanced automation and personalization, starting at just $9 a month. With Moosend's drag-and-drop editor, creating effective campaigns takes minutes, even for beginners. You can optimize outreach with AI tools to target your customers with precision and relevance. Detailed reporting on crucial metrics like open rates and conversions keeps you informed and agile. Next up, Constant Contact shines in managing event registrations efficiently at a competitive rate. Its user-friendly email editor simplifies building various campaigns, tailored especially for events. While its design options are limited, its effectiveness in automating workflows is commendable. MailChimp stands out for its powerful multivariate testing capabilities, catering to diverse marketing needs. With a range of integration options, it helps you craft sophisticated automated campaigns with ease. However, users should beware of restrictions on customization and occasional high costs for extra features. Brevo offers the best built-in CRM capabilities, making it perfect for e-commerce and agencies alike. You can leverage SMS marketing alongside email to maintain a cohesive outreach strategy. Campaign Monitor features a unique link review tool, ensuring no broken links slip through your campaigns. This platform is ideal for non-profits and online creators seeking easy-to-use, intuitive design tools. GetResponse excels in spam testing capabilities, ensuring your emails reach the inbox every time. Advanced automation and autoresponders help shape your communication strategy more effectively over time. ActiveCampaign stands tall with advanced email automation ideal for experienced marketers aiming for engagement. Lastly, MailerLite provides simple yet effective tools designed for online creators and bloggers on a budget. Change is necessary for growth. Now is your time to embrace it and find your perfect email partner.